Today I'm going to show you some of the updated features in the Libby app. To get the Libby app, go to your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet and download it there. Or you can go into your browser on your computer or smartphone or tablet and type in libbyapp.com. Now, some of the changes you can see first on the main screen. A few options have been added at the top of the screen. You can now just click on Just Added to see the new books that have been added to our collection. Popular will show you items that are frequently checked out and that users seem to enjoy. Random will just give you a randomized list of items in our collection. So if you are just kind of looking for something fresh and new, and you can select that option. Available now will show you everything that is currently checked in. Or you can go to subjects and find a subject that you're looking for and browse that selection. Also on these screens, you're going to see the option for preferences. And that option is also located here in the menu. Also on our menu, you can see our kids collection, teens collection. We have mystery and thrillers currently highlighted, and business books are currently highlighted. The main changes to the Libby app occur here down at the bottom of your screen. The options here have changed and their functionality has changed slightly. The magnifying glass is still your search feature. Instead of being located further up on your pager screen, is here at the bottom. You can click on that and type in what you're searching for. You can search by title or by author. And then the options will show. Now you'll notice that there is what looks to be a library card symbol next to the books. Now if you see it has some dots with like a little clock face next to it, means you need to place a hold. If you click on that icon, it's going to tell you about how long your wait will be, how many copies there are, how many people are waiting, and how many people are waiting per copy. Now if there are no dots on the card and it just has a plus symbol, you can borrow that item. So you can click on it. It's going to tell you how many copies are currently available. Now, also at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see an icon that looks like a library card. If you click on that, that's going to take you to the library of whose sites you're currently on, an RK Chautauqua Cattaraugus library, and you're going to notice that the card shows as orange. If you had a card from another library, that card color may be different. For example, the New York Public Library card shows as blue. Now you can have multiple cards linked to your Libby account. Next is the Libby icon, so the little girl reading a book. In the past, this would show the current book that you were reading, and you could click on that to go to your book. That functionality has changed. Now when you click on that, it's going to pop up a menu that allows you to manage your notifications, add a library card, add a library, or show your library cards, and then help and support. You can just click this hide button to hide that menu again. Next to the Libby icon, you're going to see this series of books. Looks like a little bit of a bookshelf. If you click on that, that is going to take you to your shelf. This is going to show you your loans and your holds if you have them. Now, you do have the option to sort your loans and holds by new title author and your loans by due date. So you can reorganize your shelf to better suit you. And then this is where you would go to click on the title that you're reading. Now next to that little bookshelf, you're going to see this little clock face. This is going to take you to your timeline. This will show you when you've checked out items, when you've returned them, holds, different things like that. If you do not want that to show, or you do not want to keep track of that activity, go up to the Actions button and you can disable activity reporting, or you can remove all activities. Now if you did disable the timeline and decide that you want to put that back in, just click on Enable Activity Reporting. Those are some of the features that have been updated and changed in Libby.